you are all doing well. I'm your Mr. Professional Hacker, and today focus on the SQLMap tool, second part of our SQLMap tool, and please join to me live. It's a very important tool and very powerful tool for website hacking. So please join to me live and start to learn live. Okay, just wait and while I'll send a link on groups and also in channel, then on WhatsApp. Okay, just little wait, just 2 to 4 to 5 minutes, just please, because it's very important. Class is started. Join to me live. Please join to me live and start to learn hacking live. Please, I request to all, join to me live from group. It's a very amazing, powerful and very good tool, acceptable, usable worldwide for website hacking. If you learn this tool completely and be expert in this tool, then you can hack any type of website. Okay, so just need to learn this lecture live, then you can do anything. Okay, here is some issue in video. First video is really doing well, but it's not doing well. But now I need to complete and set our, because it's most important thing. Please join to me live. Live start. Class will be start. This lecture. After this, I will tell you many important things. Okay, that's why you need to join me live and start to learn live class. Okay, please join to me live. Very important. Our last. Just wait a 2 minute more. Join live class. English. Again, I will share this in group. Okay, now let's start our theory. Okay, this section is incredibly important, so make sure to watch it live and follow along with the practical session. Let's dive into some new concepts and then move towards the practical demonstration. First thing is, in this lecture, parameter. Okay, parameters in the context of web applications are pieces of data sent between the client browser and the server, typically through a URL from a header which the server uses to process and return a response. Parameters can be part of GET, POST requests and are often used in SQLMap or other web security tools to find vulnerabilities like SQL injection. Okay, how parameters work. Purpose. Parameters are used to send dynamic data in the server, such as user input, login credentials, search queries, products, IDs. They help websites and application function based on user interaction. For example, when you search for something on a website, the search terms in passed to the server via parameter. What is parameter? Here I told you with example and with practical. Here you type, for example, here you type HTTPS, okay, then here you type colon. It's just for example. Here you type your victim IP address or victim domain or website which you want to check vulnerabilities. Vulnerability, its website vulnerable or not. Here you just type search. Okay, different websites have different parameters. That's why we need to explain about that. Okay, search, then here you type question mark, then here you type q. Okay, then you type is equal, then you type SQLMap. It's for example. Okay, in this case, here is a q. Okay, q is the parameter and SQL map is the value being passed to the server. Okay, understand? Okay, let's move on our next step. Types of parameters. Get parameters sent in the URL after the question mark symbol, separate by and sign if there are multiple parameters. For example, your website link is https dual slash, here you type your victim website or domain com, then here you type product, because this is a different website. If you scan the different website, then you need to different and new parameter. Okay, here you type ID and then you type here question mark 1 2 3. Okay, then you type here and sign. Then you type here category, category, and then you type here question mark again, then you type here books. Okay, ID is equal 1 2 3. Here is ID is equal 1 2 3 is a parameter in indicating the product ID. This is a parameter indicating the product ID. Category is equal books, indicate the types of product. This portion indicate the types of products. Okay, understand? Next is post parameters. Okay, what is post parameter? Sent in the body of the request, often used in forms where sensitive data like passwords or large amounts of data are submitted. Example, in a login form, the username and password would be sent on post parameter. Okay, here I explain with example, and just one person currently joined to me live here. Please join to me live. Okay, and please join to me live and start to learn live. Okay, here I type, here just I type HTTPS. It's just for examples. Okay, explore with examples. Here you type again your victim website, but here I type for your understanding example.com/, then again you type login. Okay, login. Here you type login, and then here you type dual commas, then again space, then here you type method. Okay, then you type is equal, then you type dual commas, then type here post, and then type again dual commas, and then you type sign, this sign. Okay, input name, username. This is a 4 parameters here. Username and password are post parameters. Okay, this is example of method, but basically when you input here username, then type then text. Username is parameter. Then you type name, password. Type password, it's password parameter. Okay, this is called post parameters when used for websites. Okay, understand? And next thing is common uses of parameters. Search queries. Website use parameters to take user search input. Example, here you type https, commas, slashes, then here you type example.com. Okay, then here you type again slash, then here you type search. Search, then you type a question mark, then you type Q. Okay, then again it's like a first command SQLMap. Here is a Q is parameter. Q is equal SQL passes the search them SQLMap to the server. It showed you search queries. Its name of search queries. Q is equal SQLMap. This portion. Okay, this portion from Q to SQLMap. This portion passes the search term SQLMap to the server. Understand? To the server. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment to my videos. And this is a very important lecture. Share with your friends and when interested person and learn hacking. Okay. Next thing is pagination. Website often use parameters to handle page navigation. For example, here you type https. Okay. Then here you type semicolon, dual commas, example.com. Okay. Then type slash. Then you type here products. Product. Then you type here question mark. Then you type page. Then type page 3. Okay, page is equal 3. Page is equal 3 specifies the third page of product listening. Okay, page is equal 3. Last 3 to 4 words specifies the third page of product things. Okay. Next step is filtering the results. If you want to filter the result, filtering products by category or price range. For example, here you type https://example.com. Okay. Then here you type colon, then here you type products. Products, then question mark, then here you type category. Okay, then again you type is equal, then again you type books, then here you type and sign, then here you type price. Okay, price is equal 10, then hyphen 20. Okay, now here category is equal book. This portion category. Okay, category just here, category to book and price to 10, price 10 to 20. Help filter the product list to books priced between $10 and $20. Okay, understand? Let's move on our next step. User authentication. Login credentials such as username and password are passed as parameter mostly in post request. I will told you about that before this. Okay. Next step is SQL parameter use. Examples. When using SQLMap, parameters are crucial because they help identify potential vulnerabilities like SQL injections. You can specify parameter manually or let SQLMap detect. Okay, for example, suppose you have the following URL with a parameter like here I type SQLMap, okay, and type here -u, then type here dual commas https colon / then here you type example.com, then here you type your victim website or domain, okay, .com, then you type slash, then you type product. Same is when I told in up products, then question mark, then you type id, then is equal 5, then dual commas, then you type hyphen dbs, means database. This command tells SQLMap to test the ID parameter in the URL for SQL injection vulnerabilities and retrieve database if vulnerable. Okay? Please join to me live. It's a very, very important lecture. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel must. Okay? If I enter this, then it should do a vulnerabilities. Okay? Okay, let's move on. Types of the website and relevance parameter. Here I need to more explain about websites and types of websites and parameters. For example, you can start working on e-commerce websites. Okay, e-commerce website. Product ID. Okay. Which ID you can use for that? ID is equal 1, 2, 3, then category. Category is equal clothing, anything. Okay. Then you type, for example, I will told you about that enough, http://shop.com. For example, your website is shop.com. Then you type here product, question mark, ID. Here I type before. Here I type for you with, oh dear. Here I type https, dual commas. For example, your website is shop.com. Okay. Here you type slash, then you type here product. Product. And then you type question mark, then ID. Okay. Then you type here is equal. Then you type here 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then sign use and then sign use category. Okay. Category. Then you, for example, your shop is your shop have a shoes shop. Then here you type shoes. Okay. It's working on e-commerce websites. Here is ID is equal 4, 5, 6, and if you type here 1, 2, 3, okay, and category and shoes, these are parameters when used for e-commerce websites. Okay. Next step is if you want to Pinterest the social media website like user profile, user John Doe. For example, here you type same thing. Here you type, okay, nothing show any commands about that. So here, okay, no problem. Here I type again https. Okay. Then here you type social. For example, social media website is social.com. Okay. Then you type here profile. Then you type again question mark. Then you type here user. Okay. Then you type here is equal.com. Then you type here John hyphen DOE. Okay. Here is user is equal John Doe is a parameter when you use for social media website. Okay. Number third. Okay. On number third is content management system, CMS. Post ID 789. Okay. Category cat technology. If your website like, here you type blog. Your website is blog.com. For example, here you type profile, same. profile, then you type here, sorry, here you type view hyphen post, okay, then type here question mark, then again here you type post, and then you type here hyphen id, okay, then you type quest is equal 789, then you use sign and then you type cat is equal tech, okay. These are those parameters used for content management system websites, okay. Next step is search engines website, same command used for that, but just something changed here. Here you type your, for example, search.com is your website, then here you type command, then here you type results, again here you type question mark q, I will told you about that, again here you type python, okay, then here you type plus sign, then here you type SQLMap. Here is two parameters, post id, sorry, q is equal python plus SQLMap is a parameter, q is equal python plus SQLMap is a parameter when you can use on search engine websites. Next is forum, and let's move on our some practical commands. I will told about these all commands yesterday, but today again I will told you with practical. Okay, let's here is some different and new commands when you can use SQLMap advanced example with post parameter. If a website uses a login form, you can target post parameter. Here you type SQLMap, then you type here hyphen u, then again here you type same, just need to wait here, no, okay, dual commas, then here you type HTTPS, then semicolon, again slashes, okay, then here you type your victim IP address, sorry, victim website or domain here. I just type here example because I don't have any website for practical, just you need to understand what I told you, just login, then type here dual commas and then again hyphen data, okay, then again you type is equal, then you type here again dual commas, then you type here username. It's just for example, username is equal admin, username is admin, then admin, then here you use the sign and then here you type password, then is equal, password is 1 2 3, then type dual commas and close, then here you type hyphen dbs mean database. Here SQLMap will check if the username or password parameters are vulnerable. It checks. Then you put this command on your victim website, with your victim website, okay, then it showed you this password or username are vulnerable or not, it showed you, okay. And here using custom tamper scripts to bypass web security, I told about that web security in previous it's mean part 1, okay, so no need to more explain for that now, okay. I also told about that tamper scripts in previous lectures, so please you need to learn previous lecture must, then you understand today lecture. It's a very important lecture. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, okay. Advanced script to extract database name without detection. This is a new, okay, here you just change something, okay, here you just type products, okay, then you type a question mark, then ID, then is equal 1, then again dual commas, then here you type hyphen temper, then again is equal, then you type again dual commas, then you type between, again comma, random case, okay, random case, then type here again dual commas and close, then you type here hyphen dbs, hyphen temper is equal dual commas between random case. This combines two temper scripts, okay, between modified numeric comparisons to use between statements, and second random case randomize the case of SQL keyword select becomes select, okay, here I type select, and it's just for your understanding and your understand this example what I say, okay. When you click here, click on it, sometimes a web may be limit the length or structure of SQL queries. Here is an example of using, when you use these scripts, it's do bypass web security, when mostly used on almost all websites used VAF security, Windows firewall, no advanced firewall, okay. These scripts make the SQL query more complex and discussed by changing the case and structure of the query, which can often fool VAFs with strict pattern matching rules. Okay, next is blind SQL injection with conditional time-based delayed. Next command is also very important. Okay, here I need to just change something. Here something we need to change here. Almost every, just here you type 5 and then type dual commas, then again here you type hyphen dbm s is equal MySQL, okay, then you type here hyphen technical and technical, not a technical, it's technique is equal capital T, okay, then you type here hyphen time. I also told about this script in previous lecture, then again here I repeat this. Hyphen techniques T, tell SQLMap to use time-based blind SQL injection, and hyphen time hyphen second 10. Specify a 10-second delay if the query is true. Explanation: this attack works by sending a SQL query that causes a time delay on the server. If the response is delayed, it indicates that the query was successfully injected. Okay. Extract table from specified database using wildcard. Okay, this is also a very important command here. Okay, then here just again you type, okay, no problem if 5 is type here, then here you type hyphen D capital, then here you type information hyphen scheme, okay, then again you type hyphen tables, then here you type hyphen dump, okay, then again here you type hyphen prefix, okay, then again just clean this, then here you type dual commas, then here you type VP, then use sign fixed, and here dual commas closed. Okay, here is hyphen hyphen prefix extract tables from the database whose name start VP, common in WordPress. This script specially targets tables that begin with the prefix WP, which is often used in WordPress databases. This helps when the database contains many tables and you only want to focus on relevant ones. Okay, understand? Next is, it's a large of it's a many SQL scripts. Okay, now I think here is close, need to close and conclude our lecture because lecture is very big. I will explain you more about that in next lecture. Okay, now today lecture is complete, and please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and which person comes new on to my channel must do subscribe, like, share and join to me live for learning. My all social media links I will provide in my description, so please follow on these